Hi friends, I have something important for you. If you're having any Python kind of error in your code or bug issues or any kind of error in your Python code, I'll help you fix it through fiverr.com. My link is at the description below. So it is just for $5 and it's under 24 hours. I'll perfectly and quickly fix the error you have in your script, any kind of error you have your script that you know that is so difficult for you to fix. So let's get started right away. Hi friends, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a program to convert YouTube tags to hashtags. For example now, this is my YouTube channel now. I want to copy my tags on my channel. I copy it now and I paste it right over here. I run this program right over here. I paste it here. And when I paste all these tags here that has comma, I want it to figure it out and make it arrange it in hashtags. So when I click enter, it arrange everything in hashtag properly. Look at it here, right over here too, and also here. So instead of me, I'll just copy now. I'll just copy all the hashtags and um come over here and paste it here. So that's what we are going to be working on today in this tutorial. So let's get started. Hi, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So let's get started. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to write, first step, we are going to write while true, so that we won't be able to our program won't just end immediately. We just finish doing whatever we do. It will just keep looping. The program will keep looping. So what we are going to do now, we are going to create a variable which is old tag is going to be equal to input, then you then space right over here, then right over here. That input is for you to input any value, any tags, for you to copy and paste any YouTube tags you have. So here now, you come over here, right? New tag, create a variable which is new tag is going to be equal to old tag dot replace. Then what we are going to do is that we are going to get the variables, whatever text we input here, we are going to be checking on our commas, because you are going to be checking on our commas. The two things we are going to be checking is our comma and we are going to replace our commas with hashtags. I mean, that's what we are going to do. We are going to replace it um with hash and alphabet, hash symbol, sorry. Wherever we find comma in our string, we are going to replace it with hash symbol. So we are going to create another variable which is new tag one is going to be new tag dot replace. um what we mean here is that any alphabet now, that any we are going to check all the spaces in our string, and what we are going to do, we are going to delete those spaces. By deleting those spaces, we just put this our um double apostrophe here, and we put our double apostrophe which is empty, and this one won't be empty, it's going to have space here. So remember that we are going to replace our whatever. If we find any string that has a kind of space that has any kind of space, we delete the space, we replace it with we delete the space. That's what it means right over here. So what we are going to do here is that we're going to renew tag. um, then this time we're going to write final underscore tag. Then under this final tag now, we are going to write our what we are going to do is that at first we want to also add the hashtag. Let's write it. We want to add the hashtag at the beginning of the letter right over here, as you can see here. We want to add it here, so we write our hash symbol, then index, then plus this new tag 1. So after that, we are going to write print, then final tag. So let me summarize what is going on here. So we enter our this thing from YouTube here, our YouTube tag here. When we enter it here, we are going to replace any comma with hashtag. Then we are going to delete any space within the string, and also we are going to just add our hash at the beginning of every letter, at the beginning of the first text. So that's all. That's what we are doing. So let's run the program and try it. So let's run the program now. So now let's run it now and see for ourselves. So now let's impute let's go to our YouTube channel now. Let's copy our tags right over here, and then copy and paste here and enter. You can see now it arrange, it does look, it replaced our comma with hashes here, and also it deletes all the space string, any string that has space within this variable here, it deletes them. And after it deletes them, it also adds a hash at the beginning of the tag here. It adds hash here. So then it prints this result right over here, and we copy it. We can now copy it now, instead of us manually doing it. We just copy and then come over here and paste it as we wish. So we paste it here anyhow we want. Let me just paste it like this. So you can see it right over here. The hashtag are properly arranged. So I think that's all for this tutorial. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Hi friends, please, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button, and please do not forget to support me on PayPal. The link is at the description below. So thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.